Find things that you may have, just leave, let her be, because she has it. Oh, wait, she almost had it. She's a little distracted. That's where it
She's
was,
looking, that's why I wanted
and
to
that's
move it.
okay. But she
Good
knows it's
girl.
over there. You can see that she's got that odor going.
Good girl, find it. Where's the mouse? Where's the mouse?
Just so don't encourage her at this, because this is the
Oh,
bed.
there is one there.
It's bedding,
Okay.
which if I remember right, distracted her the last time too.
Good girl, leave that. We'll find it. Good girl. Sure. Good girl, find it. No, leave it. Good girl.
Yeah, I'm doing just, let her be.
Good.
She's got it.
Oh, good
Yeah,
girl.
she's got it.
Yeah, don't girl, Casey.
Good girl, yeah, got it. Good girl.
Go to the other side, grab it. I think it's just, did it just land?
It's fine. Oh, come on, buddy. You are okay. Good boy.
Leave it.
Yeah.
Sit. All right.
Nice.
Here, sit. Good girl.
She's gonna be good at this.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to be quick to save the rat, though.
I'm sorry. I hope he's